guys, welcome to Ithaca, the island of Odysseus. We are here in Big Vathi. I remember the first time I came here 3.5 years ago, same place to Big Vathi on Ithaca. I was just amazed by this place. Not only it's gorgeous, it's also so historical, and you know, I've had these mythologies and I've read Odysseus myself before when I was little. I've read it a few times actually. I love Greek mythology also. I love everything from Homer, so when I came for the first time it was just incredible experience. And it's not just for the historical aspects. I would always recommend anyone, whoever comes to Greece, to come to Ithaca. It's also because this is one of the most gorgeous Greek islands that I have ever seen. Beautiful places from around, cafes, restaurants, landmarks, and just everything. The landscapes in general are insane, so I always recommend you guys to come here. It's getting kind of late because from Meganisi to Ithaca it's actually quite a long way, so we did a lot of sailing and motoring today. Like it was half and half, so it is quite late.
New day, new island. From Big Vathi in Ithaca to Sivota on Lefkada Island, and now we are back in Spartochori on Meganisi Island. Only this time we actually ended up walking across to the beach. And not just any odd beach. It was a beautiful white sand beach with clear blue water, marked swimming area and a bunch of kayaks. This was only a short stop for lunch though. The temperature has gone down in the afternoon and we headed back to Lefkada, to a very unique and diverse town of Nydri. Nydri is undoubtedly a breathtaking place. I could stare at these mountain formations all day long. We could only stay one day in Nydri, as we had to keep moving with the flotilla. Although, I have to say, I would love to explore it more and I hope to come back one day. For our last stop before heading home, we went back to the Bay of Abelike on Meganisi Island. I would not necessarily recommend Abelike for the adventure seekers, as there's not much to it compared to other spots shown in this video. It does have a lovely restaurant, however, with the most delicious seafood and its own pontoon that you can moor your boat to.
Hey guys, we are back in Ithaki now. This is the end of our 2-week flotilla. There were many days that I didn't film because it was raining, even today or yesterday, but other than that it was incredible, and I'm sure you can tell by the places that I filmed. Our crew was lovely. The loveliest team here at Nielsen, both flotillas, so the first and second week. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, I would recommend the Nielsen flotilla to everyone, like literally you'll have the best experience. Would I recommend Nielsen over other companies? To be honest, I don't know, because I've only ever done Nielsen. I'm very sentimental for these Nielsen flotillas because that's how I started sailing for the first time back 3.5 years ago, and May was by far better weather also, but yeah, I'm very sentimental when it comes to Nielsen flotillas. I know there are plenty of other companies such as Sunsail, Sailing Holidays, Sailing Ionian. You could look into those companies also. I don't have a comparison, so I can't say whether I recommend one over the other. With Nielsen, I can for sure recommend you Nielsen. The 3 major things that I think Nielsen boats are missing personally, and I think they would make up for a better experience, would be an autopilot for sure. Especially if there's the 2 of you, autopilot just makes things easier, simpler. It's just like more of a leisurely experience, and then you can also get to places which are a bit further. Wi-Fi would be really nice as well. I was constantly, because I was doing some work for my remote job that I do, I ran out of data very quickly on my phone because there was no Wi-Fi on these boats. And also GPS plotters, GPS in the cockpit would have been very helpful, like I had chartering a boat in Croatia, for example, if you remember that. So those are the 3 major things that I feel like these boats are missing, but other than that it's an amazing experience, and I would 100% recommend it. But anyway, guys, that is the end for this flotilla. I hope you enjoyed watching this flotilla. If you have any questions about it, please leave them in the comments down below and I will make sure to answer them. I have done this flotilla for the 2nd time now, so I should be able to answer most of you guys' questions, especially about the Nielsen flotilla. But yeah, that is it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!